welcome to Money Talks with Mohan Krishnarao, the show that cuts through financial noise to help you trade smarter, not harder. If you've ever thought trading seems cool if only I had time, or I want profits without staring at charts all day, then you're in the right place. Today, we discuss swing trading. The part-time trader's best kept secret, and how you can master it in just 45 days. Let's bring in our expert, economist and MQ Edu founder, Mohan Krishnarao. Sir, hello.
Thank you, Neethi. And swing trading is ideal for people with busy lives who still want market exposure. Contrary to intraday trading or day trading, swing trades are held for days to weeks, not minutes. Here's the difference. Intraday trades open, close in one day, fast and stressful. Swing, you hold over several days, targeting medium-term price swings.
So can you explain what's happening behind the scenes?
Swing trading captures a stock's swing within an overall trend, say from a low to high or high to low. It mixes chart patterns like support resistance and cup and handle, oscillators like RSI or MACD to confirm reversals, trend lines and pullbacks to spot entries. For example, Axis Bank stock in Nifty 50 swung on reversal and momentum play investors. Time commitment, check charts once a day or week versus all day in an intraday. Stress, lower, your trades are rule-based, not emotional. Overnight risk, yes, but manageable with stop losses. Perfect for busy professionals, hobby traders, or anyone wanting consistency without chaos.
So what is Swing Trade 45?
It's a 45-day live training expertly designed for part-timers. Day 1 to 5, chart mastery on TradingView, trend lines, indicators, patterns. Day 6 and 7, one clear swing strategy, entry, stop loss, exit and risk rules. Day 8 to 45, live trades. Take positions, monitor weekly, small screen time, weekly reviews every Saturday 11 AM to 1 PM. Mentor-led feedback, one rule, one strategy, discipline over hustle. Project realistic 3 to 4% monthly net profit if executed well. Let's look at how Intraday 45 can be compared with Swing Trade 45. On time commitment, Intraday 45 is daily screen time, Swing Trade 1 to 2 sessions per week. Stress level, high, fast-paced in intraday, moderate, more manageable in swing trade. Risk management, tight in intraday risk. With swing, it's overnight risk, wider stops. Review frequency, daily reviews in intraday trading, weekly review with consistency in swing trades. Target return, 3 to 4% aggressive, and in swing trade, it is 3 to 4% steady. Focus, one strategy, deeply learned. Flexibility fits into real life. Community, you trade together. Support, mentor and peer feedback. Clarity, rule-based, emotional free. And who is it for? Full-time professionals, homemakers, students, anyone wanting part-time trading but full-time peace. No experience is required, just interest and commitment.
And the fee is just 10,000 rupees instead of 15,000 with limited seats every 15 days. Worth every rupee. Expert tip, swing trading like a pro.
Use candlestick patterns plus oscillators, RSI MACD for momentum, doji engulfing candles for near support resistance for entries, stop loss placement at technical levels. Risk reward of 1:2 or better.
So if you want trading that fits your life, less screen, more strategy, then Swing Trade 45 is your path. Visit mqedu.in to enroll.
Consistent part-time proven swing trade 45 helps you trade smart, not hard.
That's it for episode 6 of Money Talks with Mohan Krishnarao. Share this with a friend who thinks trading is for full-timers. Subscribe, follow, and until next time, trade smart, not hard. Jai Hind.